How to order food on Grubhub with the gift card. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can directly move into your Grubhub application. Enter your login credentials and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, click on your profile at the top right corner and then move into account. At the left side of the screen, the option of gift card will be visible to you. Click on it and then simply click on redeem a gift card. It will land you on the interface where you will be able to redeem the gift card. You simply have to enter the number of the gift card or the code that is given in the gift card. Once you have entered the number, you simply have to click on redeem and then your gift card will be redeemed successfully. Now at the time of checkout, you will need to choose the gift card as a payment method. With the help of the balance of your gift card, you will be able to pay the amount and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can order food on Grubhub with gift card. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. And thank you for watching it till the end.